The issue is snap. Snap in WSL. Firstly, I tried to install Android Studio using Snap in WSL, but I failed. It shows cannot communicate with server. Then I restart my system control and try to know the status for Snap service, but it shows host is down. I tried many ways to recover this problem. Try to update, upgrade and reinstall after removing Snap fully, but it failed. Then I got 3 commands. Here is this. Those can solve this issue. I'll give this in the description box. And then I try for Snap version and shows exactly I expected. And then I could install Android Studio using Snap.